Students, if you want to be fluent in English, then one important thing you have to follow. Okay? What is that thing? Consistency. Suppose that if you want to be fluent in English, then you will see that what is most important thing. Most important thing is consistency. Suppose that you don't have enough knowledge in English. Suppose that you have zero knowledge of English, okay, and you think that you have to learn how to speak English, then how will you be able to achieve this knowledge? One thing there should be in your mind, that is consistency. Because so many rules, you will see there are so many rules to be fluent in English. Suppose that for parameter, it is open secret. You have to pay attention. LSRW: listening, writing, speaking, and reading. Clear? But suppose that you have started to learn. But main thing is that so many students you will get. In the beginning, they are very excited and they pay attention more and more. But later on, after a week, after 15 days, they skip. Like this, you will not be able to learn how to speak English. So that's why if you pay attention more and more, then automatic you will get confidence. And when you will get confidence, then automatic you will feel that yes, it is possible for me. Definitely I will be learn this language. Second thing I would like to explain here, suppose that somehow you are able to learn speak something. In that situation you have to do one thing. What is that thing? That while speaking, especially if you want to be fluent in English, then one thing you have to do, while interacting with someone, you have to use simple words. You have to use simple sentences. Sometimes you will see that so many persons in the beginning stage, somehow they are able to know this language. Then suddenly they start speaking using difficult words. Then automatic. When you will start using difficult words, then you will feel so many problems. What is those problems? I would like to explain here. When you will use difficult words, then automatic you will not get fluency and you will not be able to express your thought easily. So that's why this is your initial stage. When this is your initial stage, then one thing you have to do, that while expressing your thought, more and more you have to try to use simple words, simple sentences. Then automatic you will feel that you are able to express your thoughts very easily. Second thing I would like to explain here, suppose that you are using difficult words, then automatic other person will not be able to understand your message. So in that situation, that will be very difficult for you. So that's why I would like to explain here. Okay, then you have to do one thing here. While interacting with someone, you have to pay attention that you have to use simple words, simple sentences. Like this, you will feel easy. And while interacting with someone, automatic entire way you will be able to express your thought. And second thing, if other person will be able to understand your message, then automatic he will give you a response. Then in that situation you will feel that yes, that person is giving me importance. Okay, so that's why students, I would like to explain here two things you have to pay attention, especially while interacting. That if you are practicing of spoken English, then every day you have to pay attention for parameter. Listening, you have to listen English content every day at least 30 minutes. Second thing you have to do, that if you get opportunity, then you can try to write 10 minutes, 5 minutes every day, and you have to speak. But one more thing I would like to explain here, that whatever you have knowledge, whatever you have knowledge, that you have not to think that you have enough knowledge of a spoken English or not, but you have to try to speak. In the beginning you will make so many mistakes, it doesn't matter, okay? Everyone makes mistake, everyone make mistake. So that's why if you are making mistake, it doesn't matter, later on you will be able to be fluent in English. So that's why today I would like to uh, I would like to tell you that at least two things in your mind. Consistency is very essential. Automatically, you will be able to improve your English like this. And second thing, that when you interact with someone, then you have to use especially easy words and easy sentences like this. Definitely, you will feel from within very confident. So that's why automatic. If you will follow this rule, then automatic you will be able to be fluent in English. Okay, thank you.